The Constitution of Kenya 2012 establishes a firm foundation for the observance, respect, promotion, protection, and fulfillment of human rights. It's a basis upon which various places of legislation affecting the enjoyment of human rights can be enacted or amended. Sadly, years later, deaf and hard of hearing people do not enjoy the fruits and promises of the Constitution of Kenya. They continue having poor education results, low economic and political participation, and bad health outcomes. Access to essential services at both national and county level remains the biggest barriers to them and their families. It is against the above background that this memorandum has been prepared to express the views and aspirations of the Kenyan deaf community to the Building Bridges to a United Kenya report. It is our sincere prayer that our opinions will be taken into account as these views depict the aspirations of over 2 million deaf and hard of hearing persons in Kenya who look upon the Building Bridges initiative as the only path to reform their lives in this great nation. Our proposals for consideration include the following. General recommendations. Article 7 of the Constitution of Kenya recognizes Kenyan Sign Language among national and official languages, that the state is committed to promote its development and utilization. Despite this significant constitutional provision, deaf citizens continue facing countless barriers in education, employment, political participation, access to well-being and health service, among others. To this effect, we therefore propose that the National Assembly enacts Kenyan Sign Language Bill to address gaps in education, employment, political representation, access to justice, issues around acquisition of national IDs and passport, matters of health and transportation as well.